Today in history, June 13th, 2026. The final horn blasts through Madison Square Garden. Confetti explodes from the rafters. Grown men weep openly in the stands, hugging strangers like family. The New York Knicks are, at long last, NBA champions, and 53 years of heartbreak shatter in one deafening roar as the Knicks 2026 champions chant echoes from Times Square all the way to the Bronx. At the center of it all, Jalen Brunson, just 6 feet of pure heart, lightning footwork, and fearless clutch shot making, pours in 45 points to seal the win. Jalen Brunson MVP isn't just a hashtag tonight, it's a coronation. The most overlooked star in basketball just delivered the city's biggest dream in over half a century of waiting. But to truly feel this moment, we have to rewind the clock, all the way back to the last time New York sat on top of the basketball world. Back to 1973, the year the Knicks ruled supreme, and the year a 53-year drought quietly, painfully began without anyone realizing it. That 1973 squad, coached by the legendary Red Halsman, was basketball poetry, a five-headed machine built on selfless passing, suffocating defense, and total team chemistry. Sports writers called it the closest thing to perfection the NBA had ever witnessed on a hardwood floor. Walt Clyde Frazier ran the show with ice in his veins and unmatched style. From his clutch, Dave DeBusschere brought brute force on the boards and lockdown defense. Together, this core etched its name into NBA history. When it ended, New York exploded. Ticker tape rained down on Broadway as over 1 million delirious fans flooded the streets, screaming, hugging strangers, climbing lampposts, celebrating a championship that felt like it would never, ever end. That single moment of euphoria became the standard for an entire city. For the next 53 years, that standard became a curse. Heartbreaking finals losses in 94 and 99, devastating injuries, failed rebuilds, entire generations of fans raised on hope and disappointment. The 53-year drought became basketball's heaviest, most painful burden to carry into every single season, until a new core finally arrived. Jalen Brunson's fearless leadership, OG Anunoby's lockdown perimeter defense, Karl-Anthony Towns' dominant inside scoring, Josh Hart's relentless hustle on the glass, and Mikal Bridges' two-way brilliance. 5 pieces that finally perfectly clicked into place. The 2026 NBA Finals brought a stunning twist of fate. The Knicks against the Spurs, an eerie echo of 1999 when San Antonio crushed New York's title hopes in 5 games. This time, Victor Wembanyama and a young, hungry Spurs team stood directly in the way of long-awaited redemption. Down 29. From Clyde's ice-cold swagger to Brunson's clutch heroics. From Reed's broken body to Towns' powerful frame. From DeBusschere's relentless grit to Hart's nonstop motor. The torch lit on Broadway back in 1973 has finally, officially been passed to a brand new generation of Knicks legends. 53 years of waiting. One unforgettable, history-defying playoff run. The Knicks 2026 champions now stand forever beside the immortal legends of 73 in New York sports lore? Where does this championship rank in NBA history? Drop your answer below and subscribe for more Today in History.